Kitambo sana zamani, long time ago. Kitambo sana zamani, long time ago. Ni kitambo tangu tuonge. I don't even know how you doing. Hizo kamba basi tulekeze. Hadi waulize how did you win. It's through the hard work, that's what I would say, so they know. Never ask again, now you know. So go and do the same, go and do the same, go and do the same. Oh, mina ngoja tupatane. Hey, mara ya pili tujuane. Hey, ni kushow, na unishow, tusemezane. Now you see me, now you don't. Read the line and join the dots. Hey, see the light and join the Lord. Walk through the fire burning hot. Hey, I'm testing him, so why you not? Shida zangu zote ye husot. I'm just posting all the battles that he fought. I ain't no failing, to me it's just a thought. All the praises directed to the Lord. Kitambo sana zamani, long time ago. Kitambo sana zamani, long time ago.
Reporting live from Kware. Thank you. Ruka hivyo tupite sali. Iko nini? Guys, tuko pipeline na this is the situation after the heavy rain. First thing yenye imetoka ni stima. Ni muda nikuje huku. Kwenda ni muda nipite hii kwa ule jamaa na kwanga. Guys, pipeline is crazy. Wow. This is the situation. Good. Bati zangu ninaingia. We twende. Si ndio kitu tulikuja kufanya. Guys, this is water. This is pipeline. Huku ni side up nini? Twende. Kwa nambona nimeacha crocs. So guys, akupeleke Kware. Oi. Guys, look at this. This is the deadly situation. Acha ni
nazungukia huko.
Shikilia hivi.
Aikinyesha yezi ingia maji.
Hiyo si waterproof. Na mbona sikubeba crocs. Unapita aje? Guys, I want to go in and show you what this is the situation. Asmini niko kazi. Twende bodyguard pita hii side. Guys, tuko pipeline and this is the road leading to to where? To Kware. Ameenda. So this is the situation, guys. This is crazy. This is just after a few minutes of rain and this road is not passable. Look at this. Look at how crazy it is. And these are the buildings. And from this side to this side. Guys, it's serious. So I want us to go to the other side, that's called Kware, and I want us to, to see the impact of the water. I have submerged myself in the, in the water. They are not that much water, but it's very crazy. I just want you to see the current situation that we are. Look at all these guys. Look at me. And let me switch to a 360. Let's wait for my friend here. This is great. Look at all this. Wait, Uncle Adi. Guys, it's crazy. This is a pipeline. It's very crazy, and I just want to show you like as it is. This is the current situation here. Let me wipe my lens. It is still drizzling. Yeah. So this is the situation. This has to be one of the main roads leading you to Kware, and this side is Transami, and you can see the impact of the water. Look at all that. So it is flowing this side up to that side. Twende chuke! Chuke kidogo! Guys, this is crazy. This is just after a few minutes of rain. Eh? Sorry. Tuko na locals hapa, nataka tuambie kukoje. Bro. Wewe India anataka huyu anahepa huyu. Wewe bro. Wewe unahepa nenda ametaka interview. Channel gani? Hii ni inaitwa hivi. FLASHSKATERS kwa YouTube. Guys, we are discovering ni YouTube si Citizen. Twende Swale, twende chini. Si tu vile kuko. What do you think of this rain? Watu ni waoga kuongea. Acha twende. Guys, let's go. I want us to experience this. This is real life. Look at all this. This is crazy, very crazy. And it has just rained for a few minutes, and already you can feel the impact. Guys, look at all this. It is so fun, especially that it's not fun. It's not fun. Let's go, guys. Look at that. Let me extend so that you can see. So I'm wondering if this side is like this, what about the other side where water is going? How is it going to be like? It's still here, and the children are enjoying this. I'm even wondering how this guy having fun. Haikuoni bro, haikuoni, naniona mimi. So hivi haikuoni. Ukiwa hapa ndio inakuona. Well, it's crazy. I'm having fun. It's fun, but look at all this. This is water. So down there, it's called Kware, and there is a quarry down there, and I just want to see the impact of water, because all this water is flowing that side to Kware, and I just want to see where is the water going and how is the situation on this other side. Ati unasema aje? Maji imezidi kila mahali. Haya. Maji ona huyu jamaa. Imezidi, hebu tuone huko. Guys, look at this side. Tunataka kwenda huko chini tuone. It's people are following me for the, it's flooded everywhere it is, but there's nothing much into it.
Help us.
With what? So I want us to go down. And okay guys, let's go. So I'm curious. The rain has, like for a few minutes, I think 1 hour or 2 hours, and this is the impact. I want us to check this where the water is going, so that we can see what is really going on the other side. I'm having fun walking on water. It reminds me of my old days. But anyway, let's go. This is it. Look at all that. But from this other side, water is flowing this side. Like here, it's very crazy right now. It's very crazy. Even FLASHSKATERS. FLASHSKATERS on YouTube. Yeah, look at all this guys. Look at all this. This is very crazy, guys. Woo! This is crazy. So there's a diversion here, and then the water is going from this side, but also on the other side it's much better. Guys, let's go. I want us to see where this water is going, and I want us to see what's really happening on the other side. Brother, nataka tuende mali maji inaenda tuone huko kukoje, because ni crazy. It's crazy, but you may notice the other side hawana drainage. Because the water from here kuna drainage, so drainage iko, but watu wameblock on the other side. So guys, lazima tutaingia kwa maji. Guys, let's go. So we are almost to, oh, so I pity. So the problem need drainage. Yeah. So guys, we are approaching Kware, and we want to see the impact of this. This has been a short train. Kama 1 hour, only like 1 hour, 2 hours, and we can already feel the impact. So let's go, let's go, guys. And if you're new here, by the way, consider subscribing. And I hope you are staying safe, especially where you are, because these are killer floods, deadly floods. Let's go. This is one of the schools. Imagine it. So this is how crazy it is. Mpaka inanikumbusha nikiwa mdogo bana. Naona hiyo maji yote ya hiyo side inaanza kuja kwa hiyo. So this is crazy. This is crazy. Woo! Guys. What the fuck? Hebu ona huko. So guys, I want you to look at all that. Ona wale watu huko. Wow! Hey, we go that side. Let's go. Guys, look at those houses. Look at those houses. The one on the green with Safaricom. Twende your side. This is crazy. This place is so. Yeah. So we are approaching Kware, and you know, all that water was coming this side. So people are already curious, and people are the curiosity. Let's go. Look at all that. Vale. Guys, I want us to check this side. Ile maji inatoka wapi? Tutembee hivyo kidogo. Acha bana. Sisi nipaka tu pale. Life is very expensive. Hii maji haiwezi kubeba. Sasa maji kai itakubeba swali. Acha mchezo. Huyu jamaa anaogopa ati. Guys, this is crazy. Look at all that. Guys, let's go. Let's see the impact of this crazy rain. This is crazy. I hope mna stay safe mahali mko. Ni aje? Look at all that.
Ule huko.
Bado sijaiweka si live. Taika baadaye but inaitwa FLASHSKATER kwa YouTube. Wacha niongee kidogo. So guys, this is Kware and this is the effect of the rain. Hii maji sijui inatoka wapi because the other one inaenda huku. Hii inatoka wapi? And it's very crazy. Look at all this. And some of the houses are submerged on the other side. And there's a guy swimming. Look at this one. I'm tempted to go and make content for you, but it's not worth it. I'll just stay here and we'll explore the other side, but it's crazy. There's someone swimming on the other side. This guy is risking. I don't know if you can see someone swimming somewhere here. Let's go. 20! Look at this guy. It's crazy. This guy is swimming here. Hata unaweza tembea. Look at this one. So there's this other side, guys. I want us to check what's happening on the other side. I can walk here, but it's not worth it, guys. It's risky. It's risky. There's someone trying to cross there. I really don't know what's wrong. Let's go. Let's go, guys. It's crazy, guys. Sasa yuko ndio kwake analipa rent. Hebu tuende huko nyuma.
Afadhali hivyo umekuja huku bana. Huko ni hatari bana. Kanaweza nuko usindo kutoka.
Huyu jamaa ameswim bana. Unasikia aje? Twende guys. This guy was swimming. Twende Swale.
Huko ni hatari bana.
We see what's happening on the other side. Look at this one. He was the one swimming, guys. Look at him. Let's explore this other side. Hapo nyuma Swale, hapo nyuma nataka tuone hapo nyuma inakaaje.
No, hiyo imekata hiyo ikoaje hapo mtoni. Hiyo ni
sasa fika mtu anaweza tembea hapo ama tudunge hiyo. Guys, it's very crazy. Very, very crazy. This is Kware. Let's check this other side. I want us to check this other side. Wait, look at this. Look at all this. Hiyo farina kwanga.
Karibu huko.
Tunga msumari bro. Guys, I don't know if you can see the impact of all that. Look at all this. Guys, this is crazy. And the funny thing is that it has rained for a few minutes, like few hours only. Imagine if it rained the whole night or... this is crazy. I don't know if you can see the impact of all that water. And it's going to this other side. It's crazy. This is crazy. Na kuna watu wanaishi hiyo side. Hey guys, look at all that. I don't know if you can see the impact of all that. Hey. Huku tu maji inakata na hakuna riba. Maji ya Kisumu inakujanga na samaki hapo. Hiyo ina hata. Twende ile side.
Sasa hii yote sinaingia kwa kisimu.
Si ndio twende hiyo side ya shimo tuone. Crazy. Na mimi mwenyewe navaa kwenda huko sasa. Tayari kwenye la. We. Noma. Yo Kware. So guys, we want to check what's happening on this other side. This is still Kware, and the main Kware is here, but we want us to explore what's really happening this other side. This is very crazy. Na hiyo imetoka side gani? Because sasa wewe
Ndio maji kusanya niko juu kabisa huko.
Acha tuone vile itakuwa. So this is the Kware police station. If you don't know, this is the Kware police station, and look at all this. We can pass by. Just see the magnitude of this water vile inapita guys. Niko sawa? Napitia hapa. It's crazy guys. Very crazy. And some people are getting out of work and they don't know how watafika kwa nyumba. And the main quarry is on the other side. Hii ndio Kware. Hizo angekuja na drone yake.
Na unaona hii ni ya kutoka juu, alafu sasa kuna ile yenye inatoka na ile side. Hii spot hii inajaa.
Wewe.
Na bado utaleta usiku.
Ute na hapo mbele.
Sawa. Sasa hii kaja.
Guys, this is the main quarry and it's full. Very full. Oh god. I'm trying to get a clear path so that I can show you. But look at all this. I have skated here before. I have done a couple of skating videos this road, and you can always go back and check our previous video. But I want us to see if we can see the quarry. Hiyo ukianguka ni tunakusahau tu. Look at all that. And the impact of this water. Noma, na ni kama tangao kunanyesha. It's crazy. This is crazy. Very close. So this is the main quarry, and as you can see, the water level are very high. You might think this is a vegetation area or a farm, but it's full of water. All of this is water. The green thing that you see here, it's all water. This is crazy. Noma sana. Huko yote kumejaa sana. Guys, that's the current situation. Secondary kwa wapi? Secondary ni hiyo side. Guys, that's the current situation here in Kware. There's nothing much to see. My director, guys, let's explore. The expedition continues. And this is Kware. This is Kware right. And I'm very crazy. It's getting dark because it's around, what time is it, my brother? It is around 6:19. Yes, it's getting dark, so bear with us. We just wanted to report this as it is right now. Look at that. Oh, there's also this other side. Wapi huyo jamaa? Twende hivyo. Acha ni switch bus kwake.
Mheshimiwa,
unakuaje? Hapana. Hii ndio ile floor. Acha ni switch kwa hiyo. So guys, we are here. We want to see one of the houses is flooded and it's getting dark, so bear with us. Let's check. TikTok, bado, acha tucheki. So this is the current situation. Inafaa tuite Eric Omondi akaa mtu atuokolee.
Ako wapi? Hapa hakuna Eric Omondi atuokolea.
Guys, naona vile kuna
hapa hakuna boti zingia hapa boti.
Boti hapa ni shalo.
Si boti zilikuwa jana?
Huku ilikuwa huko?
Wapi? Hapa hivi. Kuanzia pale nyuma. Wale jamani niwaona na manguo zingine
Aimpa anapita, anaweza pita.
Eric. Walikuwa maandiko.
Guys, let's try to cross here so that we can explore the other side. Niaje champe. Kopoa, nataka tuone huko kuna nini. Guys, look at all this. And I'm attempting to cross so that you can see the impact of water on this other side. Ni noma, niaje. Nanuka jo. Guys, this is not a clean water, this is sewage. This is very crazy. Na kuna mtu anatoka Joba kama. Look at all this, guys. Look at all this. This is water and it's flowing on this side. This side. Huko hata sijui kuna nini, but that's the current situation. And imagine it has only rained for like few hours. Only I think 1 hour. People are trying to cross here and you know, so that you can see the impact. It's not that much, but it's still it's water. And the worst thing is that we have people staying on this side and also the other side. Let me see kama naweza panda hapa juu. I hope. Hakuna shimo. Pandie na hapa juu. Habari mam. Acha nisimame tu na hapa. Huko ni noma. Noma sana guys. Look at all this. Huko ni noma. Unafaa upite. Ndio. Guys, this is the current situation here in Pipeline. Not Pipeline. Kware, ati Kimondo. Kware. Serikali inafaa itusaidie ama tuite recommend. Guys, this is the current situation. I want to go back and explore the other side. Today it's around evening hours and this is after 2 hours of rain. Imagine if it rains the whole night. It's only few hours. I think from ilianza 3 mpaka 4, si ndio? For that hapo. People are passing wanatumia mabati kupita guys. Chunga isikukate please. Ama uzunguke tu. Kanyaga tu maji kidogo. Sio mabati inaweza mkata. So guys, I want to go back and this is how it's going to be. Golden Angel, there's a school here and it's submerged. To be honest, it is submerged. There's a school here. People are crowding on the other side and then there's water coming from this side. Remember guys, we were on the other side and there's water coming from this side going to this side. Let's go. Mom. Poleni. Let's go guys. See you on the other side. Subscribe FLASHSKATERS on YouTube. Guys, it's getting dark, but I want us to go to the Kware Bridge and show you the impact on the main outer ring road. It's getting dark. I don't know if you can see me, but I think you can hear me. We are almost winding up the video. It's rush hour. People are going home. People are getting out from work and they don't know what to expect on the other side, but it's very crazy. So let's go to Kware Bridge and see what we have. There's a main river, river what? River Ngong. Nice. We are going to see how River Ngong looks. Ngong River looks like. But let's go, guys. This is the current situation. People are going home. Hawajui manze the impact of what on the other side. But anyway, so far it's crazy. That's the only thing I can say. Let's go. Alafu ile maji ya huko ni sewage, hata si maji bana.
Siwa zishani.
Ai.
Uone sasa huko mimi kuenda na aje hapo na kamera.
So, twende na chini. This side.
Hiyo ni stay.
Ya huko. Sasa imagine watu wa huko Mkuru. Imagine Mkuru Panjenga.
Ile enda pale Embakasi South. Unakomana hiyo ile hapo. Sasa nasikia imekatia hapo. Imekuja na ghetto hivi.
So this is the main road, guys. And as you can see already, it's very dark. But there's water. There's water here. Oh guys, so this is the impact of the rain. Guys, it's getting dark, but I don't know if you can see, but this is what is happening here. I have to watch my leg. It's dark, but all of this is water. Guys, this is water, and this is the outer ring road. We are on the service lane and Kware stage, to be precise. It's very dark, but all of this is water. This is water. Swale. Let's go. I'm still kwa maji. Let's get that shot. Look at this, the way people are being transported. So the river is somewhere there. I want us to go to the river and see the impact. Guys, this is the river. And, I really don't know if you can see, but it's very, very. Oh God. Guys, it's very dark, but this is the river. This is River Ngong, and it's almost full to its brink, and it's very crazy. I don't know what I can say, and it has only rained for a few hours. That's one thing I'm saying. Imagine if it rained, let's say the whole night, what could be the impact? But this is what it is, and the current situation right now, and it's very dark, but that's how it is. I think, yeah. Kuna giza tuonekani. Yeah. So guys, we are in Kware stage. This is Kware stage, and I'm submerged, as you can see right now. But the situation here is very crazy. We have towards the other side of Kware. That is uko inaitwaje? Inaitwaje Kware. Tumetoka Kware ndani, and it's very crazy. Now we are on the outer ring road, and it's getting dark. That's why we are using a phone to show you the impact of the rain. It has only rained for a few hours, I think 2 hours, and this is the impact. Imagine if it rained the whole night, if it rained the whole day, what would be the impact? So this is Ngong River, and it's very dark. I don't know if you can see, but I wanted to end the video here so that make sure you check this video, and tomorrow we'll try and get a better video during the day, and I will show you everything much clearer. As for now, consider subscribing, guys. Comment, like, and share. I have gathered a huge crowd here. I'm getting shy, but it is what it is. George from FLASHSKATERS.